You are now going to look at two outlines of a presentation. These outlines show how they are planning to present the information and what they will need to format in order to complete it. As you look at each slide, know that they have not yet been formatted, so they do not look nice. Instead, you should be looking for how they are telling the whole story. This first title slide makes it clear that this presentation is going to be about Kenyan independence. This slide instead tells us all the information about Kenyan independence. Instead of telling a full story, the person seeing this slide will simply need to read the whole of it and not listen to the person presenting. This presentation also has the situation, complication, and resolution all on one slide. When designing a PowerPoint, many designers fall into the trap of putting a lot of information onto one slide. This results in the viewer reading the slide and not needing to listen to the person who is presenting. Let's see how this presentation could be revised into a better outline. This presentation puts together the components of situation, complication, and resolution with sequence. It's then made stronger by ensuring that there is only one message per slide. Strong presentations allow the presenter to tell a story instead of telling the whole story in one slide. Each slide should provide one message, and the presenter should be required to tell the story for the slide instead of having a slide full of text that tells the whole story. In this slide, the setup of the scenario is seen. It explains that British colonization started in 1895. This will tie to the resolution, which will be independence. The next 4 slides highlight the challenges that Kenyans faced as they fought for independence. These slides have only one message per slide, but they are all related to the fight for independence. Now, this is what we call the complication. Now, open elections in Kenya in 1963 signaled the start to the resolution. Then now finally, the last 3 slides highlight the resolution from the results of the presidential election. Now this led to Kenya becoming independent and finally a republic in 1964. These slides show the effect that outlining a story using scenario, complication, resolution, and putting one message per slide can have. This outline is organized to ensure that the story is told and that it is told with minimal text. Now, you're going to get a chance to learn how to create an outline that helps you tell a story. Then, you will be able to use your formatting skills to make a great, engaging presentation.